Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making these Groovy Peace Out cookies. This cookie has a really fun wet on wet wavy background, and so let's get started by drawing some wavy lines on our cookie with our scribe, or you can use a toothpick. I'm going to use 4 different colors of royal icing in about a 12-second consistency. And I'm just going to outline and flood in the bottom section, and then I will immediately go ahead and fill in the section on top of that and continue until the entire cookie is covered. And as always, I will use my scribe to get the icing out to the edges, and here I went over the edge a little bit, so I'll just wipe that away with my scribe as well. You can also use a toothpick. And then I'll just continue on with the next color, outlining and flooding in the section. And when the cookie dries, it will all be one solid surface with no bumps or ridges of separation between the colors. And so that's what I mean when I say wet on wet technique, and that's what cookiers are talking about when you hear that being said. It's applying the icing right on top of or next to other icing while it is still wet so that it blends together as one solid surface. So I let my cookie dry completely, and then I traced the outline onto the cookie. I used a projector to do this, but you could also use the tissue paper method, or you could cut it out with paper and just trace around it. And I'm just going to carefully and slowly use my white royal icing in about a 20-second consistency to outline the hand. And I'll use my scribe to settle down any start and stop points and to kind of smooth out any bumps of icing where I might have applied too much. And I'll continue to finish outlining the hand. And this groovy cookie is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next time.